Welcome to the Full of Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording, and it is 4:14 p.m. that is Central Time, and today is August 28th. Well, we had GDP annualized figures come out today on a quarter-over-quarter basis, and they were better than expected, up 3.3% versus the expected 3.1 and the prior number of 3%. And that raises some important questions. Where is the growth coming from? Because obviously there's a lot of uncertainty out there. There's a lot of questioning around what is likely to come in terms of inflation. But we'll have the PCE price and the core PCE month over month and year over year tomorrow. But we had the quarter over quarter figure today, and it was exactly the same as last month or last quarter. And that was exactly as expected. So that's, I think, one of the reasons why we've had the S&P 500 breaking out to new all-time highs. And we've had a pretty quiet reaction to Nvidia's earnings yesterday. So we had the Dow Jones up about 0.16%, the Nasdaq was up about 0.5%. The CSI 300 in China was up 1.77%, even though the Hang Seng was in negative territory today by about 0.8%. So we have a little bit of less conviction in the demand for China's stocks. But there was a news story today talking about how the authorities there are trying to crack down on a tendency for people to use their credit cards to buy stocks. That's the kind of thing you see during the more spicy or enthusiastic bull trends that occasionally occur in China and other markets. And it suggests that we're getting a little bit of the enthusiasm from retail traders in the Chinese market that you haven't seen in a while. So that's both a warning as well as encouraging in terms of the interest that's being shown in the market, particularly since it hasn't really rallied to the same extent as it did in 2018 or all the way back in 2007. Now, when we think about what else is going on here, gold prices were a bit steadier, oil prices were a bit steadier, and you have the the Prime Minister of Germany talking today about how he does not expect the presidents of Russia and Ukraine to meet. And then Ukraine was also hit with an enormous volley of missiles in here today. This increases the potential that